Imagine that you step on a subway and you see the above image depicting a person with a mental health issue. Notice the dark background and the closed-in, defeated body posture. Would you, if you were a person with a mental health issue, want to identify as the person in that photo? My research looks at how the images and words we use to talk about mental health increases or decreases the stigma, and how this impacts students in accessing mental health resources on campus. So the first image is from a 2013 McDonald's ad. It was highly controversial. People were upset because it parodied the public service announcements around mental health. As mentioned before, there's a dark background. There is a person with a closed-off body posture. There are the words, "You are not alone," and the spotlight is on the individual. Then the part that made this ad controversial is the fact that it says millions of people want the Big Mac. And then there is where normally there would be a phone number to a helpline, there is the name of McDonald's main office. Now, I want to contrast this. What I found interesting in this when I was doing my research was the fact that this ad uses elements in public service announcements, and this is painting the picture of how we understand mental health through images. I want to contrast this now with the second image, which is Ryerson's Mental Health Action Plan logo. So there's a bright blue background, so the bright blue of a summer sky, a sense of joy and hope and freedom. And there's a hand raised and a high five. Hooray, we've accomplished something together. And from the same hand, it's a tree, and there's arms stretched out as branches, so there's a sense of growth and community. And the words, everyone's responsibility. Everyone, it's the same idea as you are not alone. However, everyone encompasses the services offered on campus, the students accessing those services, and their friends who are supporting those. So my research seeks to develop a best practices of how we choose images and words to communicate about mental health to reduce the stigma, and how we can then apply these best practices to other stigmatized issues in our society. Thank you.